Hey, Captain. Welcome to Captain Finance, where we empower you to captain your finance. In this video, we'll look at my May financials, some of the decisions I made, how my financials are looking, and whether they've improved or gotten worse. All right, so let's jump into it. Let me move my image there. Okay, so this is the Excel that I've been working on for some time, and my SI unit is my rent. So assuming if my rent is 10,000, then my salary would be about 25,000. This is after the pay cut. So that one wasn't fun. So my sources of income at the moment are earned income, which is money I have to exchange. I have to exchange time for money, and then portfolio income through trading. So that means my total income is about 28,000. Then scroll down. I pay about 5,000 in taxes, utilities, nini. The most important line is this good expense. So let me just explain what a good expense is. A good expense is an expense you take to improve your life. So like for me, after realizing my financial situation is not that good, I partnered with a family member, and we decided to take the Centonomy classes. And the reason we did this is because, first of all, for you to actually, Einstein said it best: you cannot solve a problem with the same mind that got you into that problem. So my thinking is what got me into the financial problem I'm in. So in order to get out, I need to get smarter. And the way to get smarter is such classes like Centonomy. So that's why I took it. So my income minus my expenses is still a negative number. The image keeps disappearing. Yeah, so assets still have the trading business and the other still related to trading, but more passive business. And then, but since I'm not withdrawing, I didn't include it on the cash flow. Still have some debts. Oh, something else that I did on my bank loan, I stopped the payment. So what I did was I went to the bank and had a conversation with them and told them that, one, I've received a pay cut, so can I get a holiday? And the bank agreed. There is a cost implication to that, but right now I'm not very concerned about interest. I'm more concerned about how much money actually enters my pocket. Hence, the reason I did that negotiation. So far, in terms of my wealth, I can only survive about 2 days. Let's scroll up and look at how my analysis looks like. How much of my money do I keep? I keep negative 19%. How much of my money works for me? About 10% of that. How much do I pay in taxes? Around 17%. How much goes into my housing? About 64%. So that has increased from the 50% that it was in the previous analysis that I did. My goal is to get this number below 33 so that I am safely in the proper square. We'll ignore return on assets because, again, my balance sheet, I use it as a wealth measure more than a worth measure. So wealth is measured in time. So this would be a better measure. How wealthy am I? I am about 6 days wealthy, assuming a 30-day calendar. So that means I can survive with my current assets. I can survive for 6 days without needing to work. My goal is to increase this to 1 and then increase it to about 12. So the last part is side hustle analysis. Let's look at this. So my side hustle still makes about $100, sorry, 100 shillings a day, and the business generates about 75 shillings a day. So that's still consistent. My daily expenses, so I took my total monthly expenses and divided them by 30. So this is where my total expenses comes in. Yeah. So I took my total expenses, comes to about 1,116 shillings a day. So my goal is to make up over and above 1,116 a day. So far, I'm able to make a sock a day and 75 shillings a day. So my difference is around 941. So my goal from my side hustles is to generate more than 941 a day. And this brings me to the end. I'll leave a link to this Excel in the description below. If you see it having value for you, just download it, use it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next one.